Hi there everybody, welcome to another video. On today's video I have this Ford Fiesta. This is a 2013 petrol automatic. I'm just going to show you the location of the fuse boxes. So according to the manual, this car has two fuse boxes. So just remember, this is a petrol and an automatic, so the manual or the diesel, they may be slightly different, or they may have slightly different locations for their fuses. And another thing to remember is not all fuses are always used, so not all the slots on the fuse boxes are always used. It just depends on the equipment that you have. So if you have heated seats, electric seats and whatnot, then you may have extra fuses as well. So those things just to take into account when you're looking for a fuse. So in this particular car, if we go into the passenger side in this case, and I've got my glove box here half open already because I'm operating with one hand. But what you want to do is you want to push this side in and bring it down, and this side inwards and bring it down, because there are two clips on the sides that you want to bring in so you can lower this glove box down. And in there is the fuse box, and you can see there all the fuses, but you can also see there's a lot of empty slots. So lots of empty slots there. But at the same time you can see some of the fuses. So those are the fuses, or that's the fuse box located inside of the car behind this glove box here. Right now the other box is in the engine bay. So if you get your bonnet open and you come here to the right hand side, you will find this little tip here. You press that, you'll be able to lift this up and take this cover out, and in there you have the fuse numbers, fuse 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and whatnot. And you also have some relays here. And so these are your relays, and these are your fuses here. So I think this is a little bit dirty here, but basically what we have is we have all these relays here. So all these relays here are these ones here, and these three relays, and this one and this one and this one are these ones here. So these two relays are not operated in this particular car. So now you can see more or less how this fuse box is allocated. So we have fuse 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then you have 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And so on. 12, 13, 14, 15 are not used. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. These are not used in this particular car. And that's pretty much how you can find your fuses. So let's have a look at the fuse list now. And so these are the charts which you can find online anyway for Ford. And there you have, so you have the fuses allocations, what they're for, and also you have some relay allocations. So as we can see here, we had that there is the compartment inside of the car, so in the passenger compartment, and this other one, it's the one in the engine bay. These charts also show you the type of fuses. So that there would be a broken fuse. You can see the image showing you a broken filament there, and also they show you the type of fuses you may see. So you have type A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and down here it tells you what type of fuses those are. So A is a micro 2, B is a micro 3, C maxi, D is a mini, E is an M case, F J case, and the G is a case low profile. So these are sort of the kind of fuses you might see in the car. I think mainly you see D or A, and sometimes you also see these ones here or these ones, but anyway, they're just giving you a guide there of what the fuses may look like and what they are if you need to purchase a fuse. So if you did have to purchase a fuse, you can look online. So if you were looking for a micro 2 fuse, you can type micro 2 fuse on Google, type enter, and then you will have selections of micro 2 type fuses. And then obviously they have different ratings, 5 amp, 10 amp, 20 amp, and whatnot. If you were looking for a micro 3, you just modify your search, and again you get micro 3 fuses, and you can see they're available on Amazon, eBay, and whatnot. So not a difficult task. All you have to do is find out if you're looking for a fuse, a specific fuse, and you find that it's broken, then you can look for it online and buy the fuse that you need. So having said that, I hope the video helps, and don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video. So thank you for watching.